Okay, ready?
No.
Ready?
No.
Action.
Hi guys, this is Letty McLeod, the owner of your garden. Hi guys, my name is Letty McLeod, and today I'm gonna give you a little tutorial how to clean your bathroom. One of the very, very hard things to do is the mirror. I'm gonna show you 2 ways that I do it that make it look amazing. This is the glass, like your glasses where you drink water, like your dishes. It can be washed, and we use this brush. It's not very rough, and the only thing we put on the water is dish soap, like your dishes. So you make this wet, and you're gonna go, like if you're doing dishes, exactly the same way. And then we have our special amazing tool. There's the Squeegee, where you can just pull all the soap from the mirror. Don't forget you have to have your rags close by. Then at the end, you just wipe it down the areas that you see a little bit with the soap. And your mirror is looking amazing. Now, another way, in case that you're very short, like I am, I use paper towels. Sometimes when the mirror is taller, you just have to spray the best glass cleaner that your money can buy on the towel. This is a paper towel. You can use any kind of paper towel you want. Spray on it, and you go with the paper towel. So this way, I don't have to look for the ladder or nothing taller or higher where I can climb and reach it. Because this baby is making the magic.